Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Xianyu Chinese shopping app right here. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my Xianyu Chinese shopping app. Have you opened up your Xianyu Chinese shopping app? Next thing you need to do is to search for product from Xianyu right here. There are so many ways to search for product on Xianyu. One of the first ways is to come to the top right here, type the name of the product you are looking for, and you are going to see similar results. Alternatively, click on this camera icon right here and upload the product picture sample, and you are going to see a similar result. After you are able to search for product, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and contact the seller. I've already contacted seller for this particular phone I want to buy from Xianyu. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my chat right here. So this particular seller here have been buying from their store in the past. So this is the seller right here. So I'll go ahead and click on our chat link right here. So you can see our chat right here, and I have buy from this particular store in the past. So you can see our chat right here. So next thing we want to do is to go ahead and visit the seller store. So I'm going to go ahead and click on here. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here, visit their store. So just like so, you can see the seller store right here. So what I'm going to buy in this store today, I'm buying Redmi 14C. So just like so, from the seller store right here, you can see this is the phone I'm going to buy right here, Redmi 14C. So I'm going to click on the phone link right here, and then you can see the phone detail, Redmi 14C, 256 gig and 8 gig RAM right here. So you can scroll down and check on the product picture right here. So click on the product picture, and this allows you to see all the product picture. You can see it in the detail right there, and you can see it's a global version of Redmi right here with 6.88 large display and then 50 MP AI dual camera. And you can swipe this way and check on the back of the phone. So you can see this phone here is a global version, just like so. So we can swipe this way and check on more product picture as the case may be. So let's go back to the sales page. So next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to check out. So it's going to take us right here. So I'm paying the sum of 450 yuan to buy this particular Redmi 14 phone from this store on Xianyu Chinese shopping app. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or Idofish, or you want me to be a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's proceed. So the next thing I'm going to do here is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to check out. So here we go. You can see it right here. So I have already added my delivery address right here. The next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and click on here to proceed with payment. To allow the Alipay to connect, next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed with payment. Then enter my payment password to complete the order. Now payment done successful right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and screenshot the proof of payment right here. Just like so. I'm going to go ahead and click on here to go back. So we have it right here. Then I will message the seller. Then I will click on here and the image. Then select the proof of payment and send to the seller. Then I'm going to write a little message right here. So I'm going to exit from my Xianyu right here. And I'll go ahead and make use of my group. Translate. So go ahead and open up my Translate. So Google Translate is a free app that you can download and install on Play Store if you are using Android phone, and if you are using iPhone, you can also download it from App Store. So after a successful download and install Google Translate, go ahead and set your primary language while it translates to this. So I'm going to go ahead and click on here and say order. I just place order now. Kindly send in time. Thank you. Kindly send in time. Thank you. Always. Because this is not the first time of me buying from this store. So I'll click on here to copy the Chinese character. Then I'll come back to the chat box right here. I'll click on here and paste the tires and then hit on send, and the message will be delivered to them. So they will reply as soon as they are online to read the chat. So let's go back right here. Go back and then continue to go back. I'm going to exit from their store right here. Continue to exit from the store. Then I will also tell them right here that I just placed order. And I'll go ahead and send proof of payment right here. And I'll go ahead and send just like so. And they will send the phone. So for me to see the phone I just buy right now, I'm going to go ahead and click on here. I'm go ahead and click on here. Then here we go. You have the phone right here. So you can see the phone right here. So the previous time when I buy the phone, it was sold as 420, but now the price is now 450. And lastly, I'm going to exit from my Xianyu right here, and I'll go ahead and open up my WhatsApp because someone that asked me to buy this particular phone for them on Xianyu. So this is the contact of the person that asked me to buy the phone. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the chat. So you can see my chat with this particular person right here. So you can see the screenshot of the phone right here in my WhatsApp. You can see all our chat right here. Lastly, I'll go ahead and click on here, then gallery, then select the proof of payment and say payment page for the phone. It's that simple. If this is exactly you want me to do for you, you want me to pay your supplier on 1688 Taoba or Pinduoduo, or you want me to procure a link on 1688 Xianyu or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.